welcome back. Are you scared of using swear words? And as I said, am I teaching you to use swear words? No, I'm not. Well, what are swear words? Swear words are these offensive or bad words that are used in English, especially to express anger or frustration. So many people have this general tendency that when they're angry or when they're mad at someone, they end up using these bad words like oh fuck or oh shit. Well, we have to stop using that because these are not considered to be good words in English. So in today's lesson, I'm going to help you with some alternatives to the swear words. So let's get started. The very first and the most common swear word that many people, especially teenagers, end up using is the F word. Yes, the F word when you're angry, when you're frustrated, or even when you're just not doing anything, but you are so used to swearing that you end up using the F word for anything and everything. Now, if you do so, stop doing that. And if you have that urge of saying the F word, well, take it back and try using these words here. So the alternatives to the F word are fudge. So if you're angry, if you made a mistake, okay, you're writing something and you made a mistake, rather than using the F word, well, try and say, oh, fudge, okay? If you don't want to use the word fudge, you have another option, which is, oh, freak, okay? So maybe you are walking on the road and you see someone crossing the road and he was almost about to bump into a car. So you're going to be like, oh, freak, be careful, okay? Many people tend to say, oh, yes, they do that. But don't use this word. Try and using the words oh fudge or oh freak. And many people, when they are extremely tired, they say, oh, I am fucking tired. So stop using that fucking word and you can say I am flippin' tired, right? So even when you watch movies, if the actor mentions any of these words, either there's a beep, 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 or if you look at the subtitles, they would never show any of these words. So let's move on to another word which is commonly used by many people, that is shit. Oh, shit. Yes, have you heard that before? I'm sure you have. So, oh shit, like you break something and you tend to say, oh shit, that's broken. Stop doing that. Instead of the word shit, nobody likes to hear that word. Nobody wants to talk about poop, right? So try and using the word shoot. Oh, shoot. Okay, that's how you can use it. Or if you are wanting to use the word shit, try and using a better word for it, which is crap. Oh, crap. Okay, that's how you can use this word. Next one. What the hell? Yes. Have you come across that? Maybe you're at your workplace and someone made a mistake in their presentation and you're like, what the hell? Well, again, it's considered to be quite an offending word. So instead of using the hell word, you can use the word heck. What the heck? Sounds a little better, but yes, try and avoid using the word hell and try to use the word heck. What the heck? Right? Many people also say bloody hell. So better words than bloody hell are bloody heck. Okay? Let's have a look at another word, which is damn. Yes. If you watch a lot of Hollywood films, you might have come across this word. Many people say like, oh damn, I gotta meet this girl tonight. Oh damn, I'm late. Oh damn, I have to rush for work. So stop using the word if you are, and instead of using the word damn, you can use oh dang or oh darn. Again, if you watch movies and when the actors use the word damn, the subtitles would never show this word. Instead of that word, the subtitles will show the words like dang or darn. Oh darn. Right? So even if you have to use this word, if you have that urge of using the word damn, try to avoid it because yes, it is considered to be offending, and use the word dang or darn. Let's move on to another swear word, which is son of a bitch. Oh, this man, I am so annoyed. He's such a son of a bitch. Do you think that sounds good? No, people are not going to appreciate if you tend to use these words. So, better words to express that anger for someone is son of a gun. Whew, son of a gun, this man, he is so annoying. So rather than saying son of a bitch, you're going to use the term son of a gun. Alright? Let's move on to some religious swear words. Yes, there are people who have a habit who also use a lot of religious swear words. Many people do not appreciate that. Definitely, people are not gonna like using anything related to God, right? So, rather than using one of these 3 swear words, I have some alternatives for you. So, the first one is, oh my God. Yes, we do have the word God here, but do not use it, okay? It's considered to be sacred. So rather than saying, oh my God, try to say, my gosh. So someone tells you a bad news, okay? You don't like it. You feel that it's just terrible. So like human tendency, we tend to say, oh my God, really? So rather than saying, oh my God, really, try to use my gosh or my goodness. They sound a little better and you would not offend anyone. So you got to be very careful when you use these words. Try to avoid them as much as you can and try to use the words like my gosh or my goodness. Another term that I have for you is Jesus. Jesus! Really? You did that? Yes. Many people use the word Jesus to swear, which is again not a good habit. So instead of using the word Jesus, you can use words like jeez or geez, spelled either way, either with a J or with a G, and pronounced as geez. Yes. So again, you made a mistake. Yes, you can use the word like geez or geez rather than saying Jesus. All right? And then the last term that people use is holy shit. What happened to him? Holy shit, he's no more? This is another swear word which many people are not gonna like it, are not gonna appreciate it. So what are the alternatives to this phrase? We have for you holy cow. So rather than saying holy shit, you can say holy cow. Yeah, that sounds a little better, isn't it? So these are some swear words. There are many more. Be very cautious, be very careful when you use these words. Please tend to avoid them as much as you can and try to use these words if you really have to express your anger or your frustration or your surprise or shock. Right? And I'll be back with a new lesson soon. Till then, you take care and have a great day.